Sure. Here's your script, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new iPhone 7 of 2025. Let us break down everything you need to know about Apple's latest release. Starting with the features, the new iPhone 7 brings some major upgrades. It is powered by the new A19 Bionic chip, making it faster and more efficient than any previous model. Apple has focused heavily on AI this year, and you can really feel it. From smarter Siri suggestions to better photo editing, everything runs smoother and quicker. The iPhone 7 also introduces a brand new camera system. You get a triple lens setup that offers stunning clarity, better low light performance, and a new ultra zoom feature that does not lose quality. Battery life has seen a big improvement too. With smarter battery management and a larger battery cell, you can now easily get through a full day even with heavy use. The exterior of the iPhone 7 is a complete redesign. Apple has moved away from the rounded edges and gone for a slightly more squared-off look with softer corners. It feels premium in hand but also more secure. The phone is built with a new titanium alloy frame which makes it lighter but stronger at the same time. The back of the phone is made of frosted glass with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and smudges. Apple also introduced new color options this year, including a deep blue, sunset orange, and a classic graphite. The front display is even more immersive thanks to thinner bezels and the introduction of the dynamic island being fully integrated under the screen. The phone also has an IP68 rating, which means it can survive spills, rain, and even a short drop into water. Apple has made sure the iPhone 7 is packed with the latest software features too. iOS 19 brings new customization options, better widgets, and a fresh lock screen experience. Face ID is now even faster and works from more angles. And for those who love gaming or watching content, the new Super Retina XDR display offers brighter colors, deeper blacks, and a smoother scrolling experience with a 120 Hz refresh rate. In conclusion, the iPhone 7 feels like a fresh start for Apple in 2025. It is powerful, beautifully designed, and packed with smart features that make everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. If you are using an older model, this upgrade will definitely feel like a big leap. However, if you already have the last iPhone, the decision will depend on how much you care about the new design and smarter performance. That's all for today's video. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed the review and subscribe to FK iPhone for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Would you like me to also give you a slightly edgier or more casual version depending on the vibe you want for FK iPhone?